Welcome to my channel, guys, hips. This is Ice Friend, and we're unboxing the Magic the Gathering Ixalan Fat Pack. This is a bundle pack. So yeah, this one is very good packaging. Brave the unknown. So let's get ready to unbox this and hope that we get a good pull on these things. Let me get the scissor. It's a very tight packaging. This is Ixalan, released in September 29, 2017. So last year, so it will be 1 year now. And yep, so these are the player's guide. Let us see the coolest card in Ixalan. Of that. There's no coolest card, yep. But anyway, let's unbox. So the player's guide is here, and let's unbox. There's a box, and yep. Oh, 10 booster box. Oh wow. And a life counter. Yeah. And oh, this is a basic land cards. And now we are unpacking the booster packs. All right, nothing, zero. Let us unbox the booster packs. This is very exciting. All right. Let's see. Sticker. We go to uncommons. Oh, Field of Runes. Oh, good pull. This is good. Field of Runes land. Very good card. Good artwork. Dinosaur Stampede. Bishop Bloodstain. Let us see. Dinosaur. Yep. Alright. Let us see. The rare. Oh, Tocatli Honor Guard. Alright. Let's put this side set aside. Yep. Second booster. Hope that we get a Carnage Tyrant. This is uncommons. Let us pass this up. Oh, another Field of Runes. What the heck is this? On one Fat Pack booster. Wow. This is a great pull. Treasure token, swamp. That's it. And let's see what we got. Oh, there is a foil. Rare is Dreamcolor Siren. Yep, a flash. Yeah. And a Jade Guardian. Common foil. Wow. Set aside. Yep. Third booster. For third booster, we got a great pull. Field of Runes. Wow. Up. Let us see. Alright. Wanted Contrail. Fury Cannonade. Oh, Vampire. Yep. Oh, what is this? Let us see. Search up as counter. Oh, a mythic one. Mythic. Let's see if who's the. Oh, Vona Vachar of Megan. A mythic rare. Ooh, this one is mythic rare. Yeah. Go for the fourth booster box. Let's keep on going, guys. Alright. Up. Go for the uncommon. Oh, Perilous Voyage. Yeah, that's a good card. Wanted Scoundrel. Deathless Ancient. That's a treasure. Tokens. Another. Let us see if there's a mythic. Oh, rare. Primal Amulet. Oh, yeah. This is a double-sided. This is a good bull. Yeah. Primal. Yeah. Back to back. What a great pull. Yeah. Primal Amulet. Yeah. Alright. Let's go. Alright. For the fifth booster box. Alright. Let's take ahead. Alright. A Wild Growth Walker. Stormfleet Aerialis. Marauding Looter. Alright. And then, oh, a rare Tiloni Skin Shifter. Alright. Yeah, let's get going. I'll open the sixth booster pack. Alright. Cancel yet. Wild Growth Walker. Murpurg Branch Walker. Charging Monstrous. Oh, Trample in Haze. Wow. Pirate, yep. Plains. And then a rare one. Rune Raider. Yeah. Yeah. Good. Pirate. Alright. Next is 6. I hope 7. Hope that we can get a mythic one. Mythic rare. Search of Azganta. A good Sentimental Totem. Let's see this treasure. Yep. Lightning Recruit. What else? Chart of Course. And a mythic? Oh, rare. Hostage Taker. Yep. Good. Alright. So 8. Let us see. Yep. Uncommons. Yep. So we have a Field of Prunes. Yep. River Sneak. Savage Stab. Another mythic? Oh no. Verdant Sun Avatar. Alright. For the last 9th booster, let us see. It's a great fat pack, yeah. There's a great pull on it. Yeah. Uncommons, let us see. Fire Booter, Ixalan Binding, yeah. Sky Terror, and let us see. Let's go. Oh, I can see another mythic. Oh, rare. Yep. Glacial Fortress. Ooh, a dual land card. Wow, Glacial Fortress. This is a dual and another foil pack. Sure Strike. Yeah, this one is a hit. Glacial Fortress, a land, dual lands. What? And the last. Hope there's a mythic on it. Treasure. Last. Let us see. What's going on? Alright. This one. Vicious Conquistador. Bruntondon. And let's see. Oh, rare. And Rampaging Ferocidin. Oh, yeah, this is good. Yeah. Alright, yeah. So these are the hits. Glacial Fortress. And then where's the amulet? The amulet is here. I like this charging Monosaurus. Primal Amulet. And the Do Field of Runes, which is really a good hit. Yeah. So these are the hits. Hope you enjoy, guys, for doing the unboxing of Ixalan. And next booster I think will be Dominaria or Rival of Ixalan. Alright, see you then, guys. See you then, Hip. And take care and bye.